Welcome back to my channel guys. Today I want to discuss how to add username and password to the terminal. Although I'll demonstrate on the Linux terminal, this method can be used for any operating system. Let's dive. Here in VS Code, when I try to push the code, it prompts for authentication, asking for username and personal access token. I'll explain the process to eliminate this authentication step. Okay. First, we need to generate SSH key using GitHub commands. You can find these commands in the description below. Make sure to replace username with your actual GitHub user. Now press enter. Since I already created SSH key, it asks if you want to override it. Press enter again. Now the SSH key is generated and stored in GitHub config files. Let's navigate back to the home folder and then to the SSH folder. Use the cat method to view IDRSA pub file. Next, go to the GitHub settings and open the SSH key section. Click on New SSH key and paste the key into the description box. Give the key any title you like. Now let's return to the terminal and check the GitHub config file. You will notice that it's still using HTTPS URL. So we need to change this to the SSH URL. Go back to the GitHub, copy the SSH URL and paste it using the set URL command. Now, if we check the GitHub config file, we'll see some changes. Finally, we can push the code without facing an annoying GitHub authentication prompts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and tips. That's it for today's video.